Is lag ruining your Blox fruit adventures on mobile? Fear not, fellow pirate, because today we're diving deep into fixing that frustrating lag and getting you back to smooth sailing. First, let's tackle those in-game settings. Open Blox Fruit and tap the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cog. Now, find the graphics quality setting. This is a big one. If it's set to high, turn it down to medium or even low. This significantly reduces the strain on your device. Next, look for effects quality. Lower it to low or disable it completely. Flashy effects look cool, but they're often a major source of lag on mobile. Disable shadows. Shadows add depth, but they also demand a lot of processing power. Turning them off can noticeably boost your frame rate. Now, let's move outside the game. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. These apps consume valuable resources, impacting Blox Fruit's performance. Clear all background apps to free up memory. Make sure you have enough storage space on your phone. Low storage can lead to performance issues. Delete any unused apps or files to create some breathing room. Last, and sometimes most effective, try restarting your game and your device. This clears temporary files and resets the system, often resolving minor glitches that cause lag. Now get out there and conquer the grand line, lag-free.